In Rails 7.2 was released a new feature called rate limiting, and this is a very simple functionality that you would usually get with something like rack attack. So in this episode, we are going to explore what that rate limit is and how we're going to be able to use it within our Rails applications. And we'll also see a real-life example of this in the new Rails 8 authentication generator. To start off, I will be using a Rails 8 application because the Rails 8 has been officially released to version 8. However, this feature was introduced back in Rails 7.2. So I'll just create a new example application, and within this application, I'm going to run a generator. So I'll clear out the screen and we'll run the Rails generate authentication. And this generator is just going to install a bunch of views, controllers, and models within our application. And we're going to have a look at some of this, but it's not really the focal point of this episode. And I probably won't use this authentication solution within my own applications because I have created ActionAuth, which is an authentication solution for Rails 7.1 applications and later. And a lot of the functionality that this generator creates, I've replicated within ActionAuth. But I've also added a lot more features like SMS authentication, passkey support, magic links, and a bunch of other features that work right out of the box. However, I would suggest that you do create an example application and run that generator because the code is really pretty. And we're going to be looking at some of it in this episode. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.